Welcome my dear student. Now question number 5 in the exercise 3.1. The question is, if cos power 4 alpha by cos square beta plus sin power 4 alpha by sin square beta equal to 1, then our aim is to prove these two results. The first one is sin power 4 alpha plus sin power 4 beta equal to 2 sin square alpha sin square beta. Similarly, we have to prove cos power 4 beta by cos square alpha plus sin power 4 beta by sin square alpha equal to 1. Okay. First take the given one and take the LCM. It can be written as cos power 4 alpha into sin square beta plus sin power 4 alpha into cos square beta by this LCM cos square beta into sin square beta. Move that one, cross multiply. We are getting cos square beta sin square beta, taking LCM and cross multiplying. Okay, and listen here, the hint is present in the question itself. Okay, so look at here, everything is in sign, so convert cos in terms of sin. Okay, so this cos power 4 can be written as cos square the whole square. Are you clear? Or we can write one more step. So by cos square beta sin square beta equal to 1. This can be written as cos square alpha the whole square sin square beta plus sin power 4 alpha into cos square beta equal to cos square beta into sin square beta. Okay. Once again, cos square can be written as 1 minus sin square. Okay, because everything is in sin, into sin square beta plus sin power 4 alpha. Again write this cos square as 1 minus, sorry, no need to, just keep this one. Okay, what about that? Okay, 1 minus sin square beta, again 1 minus sin square beta into sin square beta. Now it is of the form a minus b the whole square. Expand it, 1 plus sin square alpha minus 2 sin alpha into sin square beta plus, if you want you can multiply, sin power 4 alpha into 1 minus sin square beta equal to 1 minus sin square beta into sin square beta. Okay, so just multiply 1 by 1 sin square beta plus sin square alpha sin square beta minus 2 sin alpha. Okay, sorry, a minus b the whole square. Below here a is sin square, so sin power 4 alpha, here sin square alpha. Okay, so sin square beta, again sin power 4 alpha into sin square beta, then minus 2 sin square alpha sin square beta plus sin power 4 alpha minus sin power 4 alpha sin square beta. Okay, equal to, expand that one, once again multiply, sin square beta minus sin power 4 beta. Okay, so now look at the terms one by one. Okay, here sin power 4 alpha sin square beta plus minus, so we can cancel it. Okay, and once again same term present in both the sides. Okay, so we can cancel these two terms. Okay, and remaining, move this term to the LHS, it becomes plus sin power 4 beta. Already here sin power 4 alpha is present, so sin power 4 alpha plus sin power 4 beta. Move this one to the RHS, we are getting 2 sin square alpha sin square beta. So the first result over, this subdivision 1 over. Okay, anyway our aim is to prove the second subdivision. Okay, so use this one, again sin power 4 alpha plus sin power 4 beta minus 2 sin square alpha sin square beta equal to 0. It is of the form, it can be written as sin square the whole square. Okay, sin square beta the whole square. It is of the form a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a minus b the whole square So sin square alba plus minus sin square beta the whole square, a minus b the whole square. Okay, so sin square from this one we are getting sin square alba equal to sin square beta. Okay, and if we use it here, sin square alba equal to sin square beta. Okay, so what we can use it? So sin square alba is nothing but 1 minus cos square alba. Similarly 1 minus cos square beta, so we can cancel 1, then minus cos square alba equal to minus cos square beta, which implies we are getting cos square alba equal to cos square beta. So we are getting sin square alba equal to sin square beta, cos square alba equal to cos square beta. Use it in the LHS of the second one, LHS of second, okay, equal to cos square power 4 beta by, instead of cos square alba we can use cos square beta, plus sin power 4 beta by, instead of sin square alba we can use sin square beta, equal to square to cancel here, so cos square beta plus sin square beta, which is equal to 1, so which is the RHS. So second part is also over. 6 in the exercise 3.1, if y equal to 2 sin alba by 1 plus cos alba plus sin alba, then prove that 1 minus cos alba plus sin alba by 1 plus sin alba equal to y. The hint is present in the question itself. So 1 plus sin and 1 minus cos, so we have to combine, okay, the two terms, 1 plus sin alba plus cos alba. So the conjugate is present in the numerator, so multiply and divide by the conjugate, 1 minus cos alba, 1 plus sin alba minus cos alba by 1 plus sin alba minus cos alba. Everything is present in the question itself. Okay, so 2 sin alba, no need to change anything in the numerator, 1 minus cos alba plus sin alba I am writing. Denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, so 1 plus sin alba the whole square minus cos square alba, so 2 sin alba, okay, 2 sin alba into 1 minus cos alba plus sin alba, no change in the numerator. So expand this, a plus b the whole square, 1 plus sin square alba plus 2 sin alba minus cos square alba. Okay, so now look at these two, 1 minus cos square, so 2 sin alba, 1 minus cos alba plus sin alba, no change. So 1 minus cos square becomes sin square, so sin square alba plus sin square alba plus 2 sin alba, 1 minus cos square becomes sin square. So sum, no change as usual, no change in the denominator, 2 sin alba into 1 minus cos alba plus sin alba by 2 sin square alba plus 2 sin alba. So take 2 sin alba common in the denominator, 2 sin alba into 1 minus cos alba, so y equal to plus sin alba by 2 sin alba into, okay, so here 1, here sin alba, so cancel, we are getting that answer, y equal to 1 minus cos alba plus sin alba by 1 plus sin alba. Number 7 in the exercise 3.1, if x equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n theta, y equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity sin power 2n theta. Similarly, z equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n theta into sin power 2n theta, and theta lies in the first quadrant. Okay, so our aim is to prove x into y into z equal to x plus y plus z. Okay, so hint is given in the question itself, but it may or may not given in the test. Okay, you have to remember this. We are going to use the result of binomial theorem. So 1 plus x square plus etc. it is equal to 1 minus x whole power minus 1 or we can write 1 by 1 minus x. We are going to use the result of binomial theorem. Okay, so first consider what is x. Summation n equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n. The meaning is, if you put x equal n equal to 0, anything power 0, 1. Okay, plus if you put n equal to 1, cos square theta, n equal to 2, cos power 4 theta, etc. Okay, so look at here, it is the same form, but what is in the place of x? In the place of x we have cos square theta, so it can be written as 1 by 1 minus cos square theta, so 1 by sin square theta. So we are getting x equal to 1 by sin square theta, keep that one. Similarly y equal to summation, so 1 plus sin square theta plus sin power 4 theta plus sin power 6 theta, etc. So again, what is in the place of x? Sin square theta. So it can be written as 1 by 1 minus sin square theta. So it is cos square theta. Okay. Similarly, look at z. It is of the form 1 plus cos square theta sin square theta. Okay. Plus cos power 4 theta sin power 4 theta plus etc. So what is in the place of x? This one. So it can be written as 1 by 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. For all the three, we are using the same concept, result of a binomial theorem. Okay, so use it here. What is in the place of x? Cos square, here sin square, here cos square into sin square. Okay, now our aim is to prove x into y into z equal to x plus y plus z. Either you can take the LHS and you prove it is equal to RHS, or take the RHS and prove it is LHS. I am taking the RHS, x plus y plus z. Okay, so 1 by sin square theta plus 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. Okay, so now take the LCM for only the first two terms. Okay, so cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta into sin square theta, plus keep the third term as itself, no change. Okay, so cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So 1 by cos square theta sin square theta plus 1 by 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. Again take the LCM for these two terms. 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta plus cos square theta sin square theta by the product of the two, cos square theta sin square theta into 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. So these two terms cancel. So we are getting, if you want we can divide it into 2, 3, 1 by cos square into 1 by sin square into 1 by 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. So look at here. Okay, so first one is y, second one is x, and the third one is z. So we can write it x into y into z, or y into x into z, both are the same. Question number 8 in the exercise 3.1. If tan square theta equal to 1 minus k square, and so that secant theta plus tan cube theta into cosecant theta equal to 2 minus k square the whole power 3 by 2. Also find the possible values of k in which the result holds, or the existence of k for this equation. That is also we have to find. So first take the given one. So it is given, okay, tan square equal to 1 minus k square. Every answer is, the hint is present in the question itself. So 2 minus k square, take it that. Okay, so we have to make in that form. So just add 1 on both sides. Hint is present here. So add 1 on both sides. 1 plus tan square equal to 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 minus k square. So what is 1 plus k? We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So 1 plus tan square equal to secant square theta. So 2 minus k square. So 2 minus k square equal to secant square theta. Okay. So power 3 by 2. So 2 minus k square theta the whole power 3 by 2 equal to secant square theta the whole power 3 by 2. So keep that one. Keep as itself. Okay. So now take the LHS of the result. So LHS is equal to secant theta plus tan cube theta into cosecant theta. Okay. So it can be, secant can be written as 1 by cos, okay, and it can be written as sin cube theta by cos cube theta. Cosecant can be written as 1 by sin, okay. So sin cube cancel, okay. So we are getting 1 by cos plus sin square by cos cube, okay. So take the LCM. Obviously cos cube is the LCM, multiply by cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos cube theta. So cos square plus sin square is 1 by cos cube theta, it is nothing but secant cube theta. Okay. So this secant cube theta can be written as secant square theta the whole power 3 by 2 from the answer. So it can be written as secant square theta the whole power 3 by 2. This 2 cancel, again we are getting secant cube theta. Why we are making this term means, so look at here, already what we get, 2 minus k square equal to secant square. So maybe star, using star we get which is equal to 2 minus k square the whole power 3 by 2. So which is equal to RHS. Okay, that's all, the proof over. One more thing is there, for what values of k the result holds, that means consider the equation, take it as 1 or 2 using 2. Okay, so 1 implies, just look at here, tan theta equal to root of 1 minus k square. We are getting tan theta equal to root of 1 minus k square. Okay, so now equate this one to 0. 1 minus k square equal to 0, k square equal to 1, k equal to plus or minus 1. Our aim is to discuss in the whole real line, minus infinity to plus infinity, minus 1 plus 1. Okay, if you put any value less than minus 1, for example if you put minus 2, it becomes, the value inside the square root becomes negative. Square root of negative, it is meaningless. Okay, it is not exist. Similarly, if it is greater than 1, for example 2 means imaginary roots. Okay, it won't get imaginary roots. Okay, therefore the k value lies between minus 1 and plus 1, and also we can include minus 1 and plus 1. So this is the suitable interval. So here k belongs to, okay, k belongs to both the, we can include both the values because we put minus 1 0 1 0, so tan theta 0 it is exist. So close interval minus 1 comma 1. If question number 9 in the exercise 3.1, if secant theta plus tan theta equal to p, then obtain the values of secant theta, tan theta and sin theta in terms of p. That is our aim. Okay, so it is given one, secant theta plus tan theta equal to p. So just to take the reciprocal at that one. Okay, so what we get, 1 by p equal to 1 by secant theta minus plus tan theta. So to make it as a perfect form, we have to multiply by the conjugate, secant theta minus tan theta by secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, so numerator secant theta minus tan theta, denominator a plus b into a minus b, secant square minus tan square, it becomes 1. So we are getting secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by p. Okay, so take it as 1 and this is 2. So adding 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 implies, okay, so secant theta plus secant theta, 2 secant theta, my tan minus tan cancel. So we are getting p plus 1 by b. Okay. So 2 secant theta equal to, take the LCM, p square plus 1 by p. So secant theta equal to p square plus 1 by 2p. Okay. So first thing over. Next 1 minus 2 implies, so secant minus secant cancel, tan it becomes plus. So 2 tan theta equal to p minus 1 by p. So again we are getting tan theta equal to p square minus 1 by 2p. Okay. So now take it as 3 and this as 4. Okay. 4 divided by 3. Okay. So tan theta by secant theta equal to p square minus 1 by 2p divided by p square plus 1 by 2p. So 2p cancel. This tan can be written as sin by cos. So secant can be written as 1 by cos. So p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. So cos cancel. We are getting sin theta equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Here I am finding the value of 1 by p. Anyway, you can directly write the conjugate. Okay. 10 in the exercise 3.1. If cot theta into 1 plus sin theta equal to 4m and cot theta into 1 minus sin theta equal to 4n, then prove that m square minus n square the whole square equal to m1. That is our aim. So look at here. So from the given one, m equal to 1 by 4 into cot theta, okay, into 1 plus sin theta, okay. Similarly, n equal to 1 by 4 into, cot theta, or we can write cot theta by 4 into 1 minus sin theta. Here also cot theta by 4 into 1 plus sign, there 1 minus sign. Okay. Now first to find out what is m square minus n square. Okay. So product of the two. So cot theta by 4 into 1 plus sin theta the whole square, okay, minus cot theta by 4 into 1 minus sin theta the whole square. Okay. So if we expand, we are getting cot power 4 theta by 16. Here 1 plus sin theta the whole square minus cot power, not square, not 4, square. Okay. So cot square theta by 16 into 1 minus sin theta the whole square. So for both the terms, cot square theta by 16 is common. So cot square theta by 16, take it outside. So remaining 1 plus sin theta the whole square minus 1 minus sin theta the whole square. We can write, without writing a, we can write the expansion directly. Okay. A plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is 4ab. Okay. A plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is 4ab. Here a is 1, b is sin theta. So we can write it directly. Okay. Cot square theta by 16 into 4 sin theta. So if you want, you can cancel 4. So cot square theta into sin theta by 4. Okay. So now what is LHS? LHS equal to m square minus n square the whole square. Okay. So which is equal to, already we found that L square minus n square. So the whole square means cos power 4 theta into sin square theta, not cot square, cot power, not cos, cot power 4 theta into sin square theta by 16. Okay. So again we can write this So it can be cot power 4 can be written as cos power 4 theta by sin power 4 theta into sin square theta by 16. Okay. So here square cancel. Again we are getting cos power 4 theta 1 by 16 into, okay, cos power 4 by sin square, it can be written as cos square theta by sin square into cos square. Listen my dear student. So I am writing 1 by 16 into cos power 4 as cos square into cos square by denominator sin square. So again, so cos square by sin square becomes cot square. So cot square theta by 16 into cos square theta. So look at here, what is m into n? So m into n. So cot square theta by 4 into 4, 16. 1 plus sin into 1 minus sin. 1 minus sin square. It is nothing but cos square. Okay. Or if you want, you can write this as 1 minus sin square. So cot square theta by 16 into 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. So what is the multiplication of m into n? Cot square theta by 16 into 1 plus sin into 1 minus sin is 1 minus sin square. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So it is nothing but m into n. Number 11 in the exercise 3.1. If cosecant theta minus sin theta equal to a cube and secant theta minus cos theta equal to b cube, then prove that a square into b square into a square plus b square equal to 1. Okay. Now look at that. First take the first one. So this cosecant can be written as, hint is present here. Cosecant can be written as 1 by sin minus sin equal to a cube. So take the LCM. 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta equal to a cube. So what is which implies a cube equal to, what is 1 minus sin square? Cos square theta by sin theta. So a equal to so cos power 2 by 3 theta by sin power 1 by 3 theta. Okay. Similarly, if we take that for second one, 1 by cos minus cos theta equal to b cube. Okay, b cube equal to 1 minus cos square by cos. So that is sin square by cos. Okay. So b can be written as sin power 2 by 3 theta into cos power 1 by 3 theta. Okay. So our aim is to prove that one equal to 1. So take the LHS. Okay. A square. So what is that? The square of this one. That means cos power 4 by 3 theta by sin square 2 by 3 theta. Squaring A. Okay. Similarly, b square means sin power 4 by 3 theta by cos power 2 by 3 theta into, okay, into square of this one. Cos power 4 by 3 theta by sin power 2 by 3 theta plus sin power 4 by 3 theta by cos power 2 by 3 theta. So just to put what is a square, what is b square in the LHS. Very simple. Okay. So if we are dividing means power reduced, 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3, we are getting 2 by 3. Okay. So cos square 2 by 3 theta. Similarly 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So here 2 by 3. So sin square cos power 2 by 3 theta into sin power 2 by 3 theta into, okay, here take the LCM. Okay. If we take the LCM, we have to add the power. So cos power 6 by 3 plus 2 by, 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3, 6 by 3. 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is 2. So cos square theta. Similarly here sin square theta by, okay, cos power 2 by 3 theta into sin power 2 by 3 theta. So these values cancel and sin square plus cos square is 1. That is the RHS. Eliminate theta from the equations. A secant theta minus c tan theta equal to b and b secant theta plus d tan theta equal to c. So two equations are given. Our aim is to eliminate theta from the equation. So for that one, we have to solve the two equation. We can follow any method. Simply I am following ordinary algebraic method, how we can cancel one term. Okay, so just to here d is there, here c is there, so multiply first one by d and second one by c. So first one by d means ad secant theta minus cd tan theta equal to bd. Similarly, we multiplying second one by c means bc secant theta plus cd tan theta equal to c square. Okay, so now take it as 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4 implies sum of these two, AD plus BC I am taken outside, AD secant theta plus BC secant theta I am taken common, these two cancel, so we are getting BD plus C square. So secant theta equal to BD plus C square by AD plus BC. Similarly, multiply here A is there, here B is there. So multiply first one by B and second one by A. Okay. So AB, which implies AB secant theta minus BC tan theta equal to B square. Similarly, second one by AB secant theta plus AD tan theta equal to AC. Okay, 1 by B, 2 by A. So now take it as 5 and 6. Okay, so now already we found what is that. So we have to put 6 minus 5. Okay, 6 minus 5, which implies, so plus minus cancel. So here AD it becomes plus. Okay, so AD plus BC into tan theta, so AC minus B square. So tan theta equal to AC minus B square by AD plus BC. So we get tan theta and secant theta value. Anyway, theta is not eliminated. So we know that result, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. We are going to use this identity. So here put it what is secant and what is tan. Okay, so BD plus C square by AD plus BC, okay, the whole square minus AC minus B square by AD plus BC the whole square equal to 1. So the same denominator. Okay, so BD plus C square the whole square minus AC minus B square the whole square. Okay, so equal to same denominator, so we can cross multiply AD plus BC the whole square. That's all. Theta is eliminated. But if you need the book answer, just change this negative term to the RHS. So BD plus C square the whole square equal to AD plus BC the whole square plus AC minus B square the whole square. Okay.